Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how you can download your Instagram data. We'll begin by opening up the Instagram app like I have here and go to your profile page. Once you arrive on your profile page, look over here on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three bars? Tap on those and then click over here where it says settings. Once you get to settings, scroll down click over here where it says security right here, and then underneath the data and history section, do you see here where it says download data? Click on that, and then from here all you have to do is like enter your email and then click on the request download. And this, when you do this, they will send a link with a file to your photos, comments, profile information, and more. And they say it may take up to 48 hours for them to collect this data and send it to you. That's how you can get a copy of what you have shared on Instagram. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching.